Good evening, children. Today I am going to start the third chapter of this Unit 1, Aggregates of National Income. Right? You have listened the GDP at MP, NNP at FC, NDP at MP, so and you will be much confused. But there is no confusion at all because the third chapter is based on the concept which you studied in the second chapter. Already I explained to you basic concepts of macroeconomics. First point, gross and net. Gross includes the value of depreciation. Net excludes the value of depreciation. Next concept I taught you, domestic and national. National includes the value of net factor income earned from abroad, and domestic income exclude the value of net factor income earned from abroad. Third point I explained to you, market price and factor cost. Market price includes IT and factor cost includes subsidies. If we are talking about NIT, net indirect tax, so market price includes NIT and factor cost excludes NIT. If we are talking about net subsidies, market price exclude net subsidies and factor cost includes net subsidies. So on the basis of these 3 points, we have total how many aggregates? 8 aggregates. You can see 4 domestic and 4 national, right? We have 8 aggregates. Come to domestic aggregates. 2 gross and 2 net. 2 gross, GDP at MP, GDP at FC. 2 net, NDP at MP, NDP at FC, right? Here also we can see 2 gross and 2 net. GNP at MP, GNP at FC, and NNP at MP, NNP at FC. So total we have 4 national and 4 domestic aggregates. And in the third chapter, nothing is there, only conversion. Already I taught in the second chapter, and definition. Definition, you are not supposed to learn without understanding. You have to understand and then learn. You know what is GDP at MP? How you will define it? GDP at MP, it refers to the market value, because this is MP. Market value of all final goods and services. P means final goods and services only are included. So GDP at MP means the market price of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country by resident or normal resident, inclusive the value of depreciation. So nothing to learn without understanding, only understand. What is GDP at FC? It's the money value. It's not the market value. FC means money value of all final goods and services, P, right? Produced within domestic territory by resident as well as by non-resident, right? Inclusive the value of depreciation. Come to net. Here, this is the market price. It refers to the market price of all final goods and services produced within domestic territory by resident and by non-resident, exclusive the value of depreciation, net. Come to next. It refers to the money value, FC, money value of all final goods and services produced by resident and non-resident within domestic territory, exclusive the value of depreciation. Come to national. It refers to the market value of all final goods and services, P, right, produced only by resident, because it is national, within and outside the domestic territory, inclusive the value of depreciation, right? It refers to the money value, factor cost of all final goods and services, P, produced by only resident, national, right, produced by only resident within the domestic territory and outside, inclusive the value of depreciation, right? Come to next. It is the NNP at MP. NNP at MP is what? It refers to the market value. Market value of all final goods and services produced only by the residents within and outside the domestic territory, exclusive the value of depreciation, net. Come to next. It is what? Money value, factor cost, money value of all final goods and services produced only by the normal resident within and outside the domestic territory, exclusive the value of depreciation. So total we have 8 aggregates of national income, 4 domestic and 4 national, right? And the difference between these two are based on the 3 concept: gross and net, domestic and national, MP and FC. So third chapter exactly is the practice of second chapter, which already I taught you. So today you will go through the third chapter and do the practice of numerical given in the book exercise. If you have any doubt, you can share in the comment box and can give the message also to me. I will take care of your doubts. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. Be good citizen of nation, good human being, right? And be prosperous, healthy, wealthy in your future.